We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's learn kick 5. We'll start basic on 1, slow. We'll practice kick 5 together with kick 4. Let's start with the left, kick 5, kick, ball, change, and kick 4. Now with the right, kick 5, kick, ball, change, and kick 4. Basic. So make sure to go over kick 4 in the link below. Let's go again with the left, kick 5, 1, 2, 3, and kick 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, kick 5, 1, 2, 3, and kick 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. Notice that we don't use the 4 and A. Yeah, let's go. Last time slow. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right, and get ready for full speed. Basic. Let's go. And let's go. Kick 5 and kick 4. Now with the right. Kick 5 and kick 4. Basic. You know what? Let's go again. Go. 1. 1. Basic. Let's go one more time. 1. 1. Now let's practice again. Slow. Basic. The more you practice, the better you get. So make sure to go through all practice. Let's go with the left. Kick, ball, change, and kick 4. And kick 5 with the right. Kick, ball, change, and kick 4. Yeah, basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again. Kick 5 with the left. 1, 2, 3. Now kick 4, 5, 6, 7. And with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And you know what? Let's go kick 5 and kick 4. Kick 5 extended. Yeah, let's go. This is kick 5 and this is kick 4, which makes it kick 5 extended. Now with the right, and get ready for full speed. Yeah, basic. 1, and let's go. With the right. 1, 5. Basic. Let's go again. Kick 5 extended. Go. 1, 5. 1, 5. Basic. One more time. Kick 5 extended. 1, 1. Now we'll practice on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Kick 5 and then kick 4. Just starting with the right. Basic on 2 slow. And let's go with the right. Kick 5. Let's go. Kick, ball, change, and kick 4. Now with the left. Kick 5. Kick, ball, change, and kick 4. Yeah, basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Just start with the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and kick 4, 5, 6, 7. Now with the left, kick 5. 1, 2, 3, and kick 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And notice again that we don't use the 4 and A. Yeah, let's go. Last time slow. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Get ready for, you know, full speed. Basic. Let's go. And kick 5 extended. Let's go. 1, 5. 1, 5. Basic. Let's go again. Kick 5 with the right and kick 4 with the right. Kick 5 with the left and kick 4. Basic. You know what? Give me one more. Let's go. 1, 5. 1, 5. Let's practice again. Slow. Basic. Yeah. Practice makes progress. And if you do it enough, it makes permanent. Let's go with the right. Kick, ball change, and kick 4. Yeah. Now with the left, kick 5, kick, ball change, and kick 4. Yeah, basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again. With the right, kick 5, 1, 2, 3, and kick 4, 5, 6, 7. With the left, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Basic. And remember, we're practicing kick 5 and kick 4, and we call it kick 5 extended. Yeah, with the right, kick 5 and kick 4, which makes it kick 5 extended. Kick 5 and get ready for full speed. 1 basic. Go. 1. Let's go. 1. 5. With the left. 1. 5. Basic. Let's go again. Kick 5 extended. Go. 1. 1. Basic. Let's go. One more time. Let's go. Now let's practice face to face. I'll flip the screen. Continue basic on 2 slow. And let's go for 3 in a row. Let's go with the right. Kick 5. And kick 4. Now with the left. Kick 5. Remember, no basic. Kick 4. With the right. Kick 5. Yeah. And kick 4. Now again with the left. Let's go for the 3rd time. 1. 5. Now with the left. Get ready for, yeah, you know, full speed. Basic. Let's go. And now 3 in a row. Let's go with the right. With the left. Kick 5 extended. With the right. With the left. Last time. Now let's do it all on 1. Basic on 1 slow. And let's do it all 3 in a row. Let's go. Starting with the left. This is kick 5. Yeah. And this is kick 4. Doing great. With the right. This is still the 1st time. No basic. 2nd time. With the left. And with the right. Last time with the left. This is kick 5. And this is kick 4. Now with the right. And get ready to full speed. Let's go. Basic. And let's go 3 in a row with the left. 1. 5. Yeah. 2nd time. And last time. Doing great. Yeah, well done. And thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day, try to use opposite hands and then open them.